Okay, so let's just quickly sort of change one other modal on one other page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it to an image on our contact page. I think I'm going to do it to Kylie's image so we can get Kylie popping out for us. Um, so again, what we can do is we can go back to the site I showed you earlier, how to do that one. So what we need to do is we're just going to grab that particular content again. So we're just copying that. Now that goes into the main area. So where we had Kylie here. Okay, so we've got this column is where Kylie was. And all we're doing is we're taking out the image. Okay, that's all we're doing. We're just taking out the image and everything else stays. Okay, we're just going to drop that in there and then we're just going to change the image to Kylie. So we've got Kylie and we also need to change the alt tag as well. And I think that will do for now. Okay, it's asking us for the modal image as well, the alt tag. So just putting Kylie there. Okay, so that should be done. So all we've done there, we've changed the image to Kylie. We've still got all the other stuff in there. Okay, I'm hoping this works. Now, again, with the styling, this is all going to go into the top of your page. And again, we're just going to copy that. And if we go up to the style option, okay, so again, just create two tags called style, okay, and then just drop all the content in the middle of it, okay. So that's all the modal stuff for that particular, for Kylie's new image. And then at the bottom, we're going to grab all this JavaScript. This is just a quick version instead of trying to get two onto one page, which poses problems in terms of that it's referencing the same, tries to reference the same image. So all we're doing is going all the way down to the bottom, but we're in the main page. Okay, we're still in the main area. Okay, so we're still in the sort of that there, but we're just adding in, and this time we need script. And then in here, we're going to add in that extra bit of JavaScript again. So all we've done is we're doing exactly the same as before, but we've just changed the place we're doing it. Let's go and have a look at how that looks. So now we've got Kylie. Now that looks a bit odd at the moment, but it does work. Okay, so we've got Kylie jumping out at us. Okay, this is because of the text of the image size. Okay, so let's just quickly go back. We had the width of the other one of 200 by 200 for all the ones before. So what we'll do is we're just going to add in here the width. Okay, so all I've done is I've just gone to my other images, so Duran Duran, and I've just got the width from there, forcing the image to be a particular size. There we go. So that is Kylie's. Okay, but it does work. Okay. Um, right, I'm not sure why that's. Let's just take off this style. I think this is because it's got the maximum width here at 200. So 300. So what we're saying, that what it said before is, well, actually, we're going to take out that. We don't need that now. We're just going to leave that, and we're just going to add in our own height and width. There we go, and it works. And this time, when we click on it, we've got Kylie popping out on this page as well. So just a little bit of a change from when we first started. Okay, but that's kind of coding and programming for you. Sometimes you have to sort of find your routes around doing other things. So, but that is a quick way of getting two modal images working. Okay, so just to recap on that, okay, is that the styling elements, okay, all goes at the top of the page, okay, and in sort of tags which is called style, and then again we've just changed the image and the look at, and then there's some of the width and the height of that, and we're just using this modal now instead of what we had before. We've still got the word Kylie underneath, and we've still got the P tag above it, and then we've just got the scripting down at the bottom of the page as well. Okay, so hopefully that's easy to follow for you. Give that a go, and hopefully it works. So now you should have all the requirements met for what we've got. Okay, we've got our accordions, we've got our search bars, we've got our modals, we've got a little video, we've got some information, and it's accessibility made because we use alt tags. And if we just check on how it looks when we sort of collapse it, okay, that is something there. Maybe that's something we could change in, but we can look at that. It's working, which is the main thing. Okay. So if there's things you need to sort of think you want to change, I can come and help you with that. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is make sure that you have got a website fit for purpose for our assignment, and that's the main thing. Okay. So as you can see, that works really well, and that's everything done. Okay. Yeah. All right. So good luck with that, and that is our last video.